Welcome once again to our continuing YouTube video series on wills and estate planning. My name is Christopher Neufeld of Neufeld Legal, and in this video we'll attempt to answer the question, what is a codicil? Now, a codicil is a legal or testamentary document that is intended to amend but not necessarily replace a will. So first of all, let's look at, it is a Latin term from the word codicilius, which means a short additional text or a small writing tablet. Now, where are these codicils coming from? Well, typically before the era of computers, where there was an amendment that the parties sought to make to a will, what they would do is, instead of typing up an entirely new document, they would simply make this codicil, which is an amendment to one or more aspects of the will. So let's say, for example, somebody had passed away previously and they were going to be a party to the will as an executor or a trustee, or you wanted to change guardians, then you would write up a codicil and just address that one aspect. So you wouldn't necessarily go and do the entire will from scratch when everything else in the will is going to stay the same. Codicils have taken on a less prominent role with the onset of computers and word processors, given that it's far easier to draft up and print out a brand new will, such that you don't need to have a series of codicils if you can get back to the original writer of the will for yourself, typically the lawyer who is writing it, or if you have the program upon which you based the original will. And in so doing, you can affect the destruction of the pre-existing wills, as opposed to having a will and a series of codicils lying out there where, after you pass away, your executor might not necessarily pick up on all the codicils that are out there. So by avoiding the codicil, there is a potential for greater clarity. Nevertheless, if you want to use a codicil, it's still a very effective tool. If you have a comprehensive will, you're looking to make that one specific change to it, and you're able to make sure that the codicil or the amendment is attached to all existing copies of the will that are out there. So the clarity and uniformity and certainty is there. So hopefully that explains what the purpose of a codicil is. It's something that lawyers typically draft up for their clients with relation to a will. And should you have any further questions or looking for a codicil to your will, or just having overall estate planning matters to take care of, please do not hesitate to contact us. Provide the contact information in this YouTube video. And we look forward to seeing and talking to you again in our YouTube videos. Thank you.